Talk about how to find the area of squares and rectangles. So to find the area of a rectangle or square, you need to know the math formula of A equal LW or A equal BH. You might say, what are all these little letters? Well, these are called variables. Variables are letters that represent a number, a value. So A stands for area. L is length. W is width. You have to multiply the length and the width to find the area of a rectangle or square. So again, in the other formula, A is for area, B stands for base, and H is height. So what is area? Area is how much it covers, how much space it covers. Like for example, how much surface it covers, I meant. Like for example, you have a rectangle. This 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter. Those are the dimension. The length is 4, the width is 3. If you want to show each unit, centimeter unit, 1, 2, 4 centimeters, broken into 4 centimeter, broken into 3 centimeter. So 4 times 3 are 12 square units. See, there are little squares in it. So it's 12 square units, or 12 squared centimeters. So what unit is it? Centimeters. This is how I memorize. When you see the centimeter multiplying by twice, remember exponent is to the power of 2. You have to list the units. Square centimeter or centimeter squared. Both of them mean the same thing. So let's do another quick one without the square units or square centimeters. Let's do 2110 inches. So the length or the base, remember length and base are the same thing, is 21 inches. The height or the width is 10 inches. You multiply the two numbers. That's 21 by 10 is 210 squared inches. And that is how you find area. This is something you've learned since 4th grade. You just multiply the length or width. In middle school, we don't use the word length or width. We use base and height. Let's make it a little harder. Imagine you have a purple field. The field is 18 mile by 10 mile. What's the area of your purple field? So purple field. Area is 18 by 10, that's base times height. That's 180 square miles. Inside this square rectangular field, you have a swimming pool. The swimming pool, the dimensions are, let's say, 6 mile by 2 mile. Let's create a key. What's the area of your pool? 6 by 2. 6 times 2 is 12 square miles. So what do you have left over? What is the area of the white space, the empty space? Let's see. Let's think. The whole thing is 180. This blue shaded is 12. I need to get rid of this. Oh, subtract. 180 minus 12. Let's see. 180 minus 12. Regroup. 168 square miles. So that's how you find for that kind of question. When you're talking about shaded region. Let's try another example. Imagine you have a large rectangle. The dimensions are 11 meters by 10 meters. What is the area of this purple rectangle? It's 11 by 10, or 11, base is 11, height is 10. 11 times 10 is 110 square meters. Inside, you have a square house. The dimension of this is 5 meter by 5 meter. So what's the area of this square house? It's 5 by 5. 5 times 5, or base times height, is 25 square meters. So if you take away the house, what do you have left over? Let's subtract it. You have to regroup. 11 becomes a 10. That's 8. this becomes a 10, 85 square meters. And that's how you find the area of shaded region. So the main thing about area of rectangle is you need to know base times height. Base times height.